In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs Conversational AI in just 5 minutes. This is a powerful tool that lets you create and deploy conversational agents with ease. So whether you're new to conversational AI or looking to refine your skills, this guide is for you. First, let's head over to Elevenlabs website. Open your preferred internet browser and go to their homepage. Feel free to bookmark it for future use if you find yourself coming back regularly. Once you're there, you'll need to either create a new account or log in to an existing one. If you're creating a new account, make sure to use a strong, memorable password to protect your work. If you've already got an account, simply log in to continue. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Conversational AI section. Look for a tab or a menu item labeled Conversational AI on the dashboard. Clicking it will take you to an area where you can manage your AI agents. Next, you'll want to click on the option to Create Agent. This is where the real magic begins. You'll be presented with several options to start. Elevenlabs provides you with different templates to choose from, which can save you time and effort. If you prefer more control or have a unique use case, you can opt to start from a blank template. After you've selected your template, it's time to customize your agent. This part can be thrilling as you tailor the AI to fit your specific requirements. You can define how it interacts, decides, and responds to various prompts. Remember, the more detailed and specific you are, the more accurate and helpful your AI agent will be. Once your customization is in place, the next step is setting the first message and the system prompt. The first message acts as the initial greeting from your agent, while the system prompt provides the AI with guidelines on how to perform. Now, let's move on to selecting a voice. Elevenlabs offers a range of voices to choose from, so consider what tone and style would best suit your needs. A friendly, warm voice might be more welcoming, while a professional tone may suit a business context. With the voice selected, you'll then configure any additional tools that your AI might need. These tools can extend your agent's capabilities, making it more versatile and practical for real-world applications. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, it's time to test your creation. Click on Test AI Agent to see how well it performs. This is your chance to tweak and refine it further, ensuring it operates just as you envisioned. Finally, if you're happy with the test results, go ahead and deploy your agent. Don't forget to monitor its performance over time. Keeping an eye on interactions will help you make necessary adjustments and improvements, enhancing the AI's effectiveness. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to get started with Elevenlabs Conversational AI. With a bit of practice, you'll be creating agents that add value and efficiency to your projects in no time.